know this video. I don't know how this video is gonna work, how it's gonna look. It's been crazy the last little bit of time here. Test recording after being soaked in the rain and sitting in rice for a week. Hello YouTube, it's been a minute. Wish I had a big excuse. I really don't. It's rained a lot. It's hot as hell in here right now. Probably a lot of time lapse in this video because I gotta have the fans cut off so you can hear me talk, and I have enough trouble speaking without background noise. So I'm gonna cut the fans back on. But yeah, it's been raining. Actually rained so much this GoPro got left out in the rain, and I lost about a week of that. It's set in a bucket of rice for a week. But if you're watching this, it's working now. I think it's working now. And we got 100 days to Wasteland. So it's time to get it going. The car's pretty good. Still got some brake issues and some small things, but this is the big thing, because this is for the wife. This is almost as important as what we're gonna live in out there because she's got to have her own thing. So we got to do this. We're gonna get into it. Enough talking, yakking. Let's do it. So we got the chain on. It's just stuck on. It's not tight or anything. And next step is to get all this clutch assembly checked out. So I don't really know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna give you guys updates whenever I got the task complete, because I'm really scratching my head on some of this stuff. This is all mini bike stuff's new to me. So I'll cut you back on when I got another update. Alright guys, so I'm working on this tank a little bit. And the problem I have is this tank's got a hole in it, but I like the way it looks. And I don't like the way it looks without a tank on it. I'm going to use the factory Predator tank, which is under here. So what I'm going to need to do is I either need to make this tank where it can come off easily, or what I'm thinking about doing is hinging it. And how I'm going to get that, I hope, is I got some scrap steel here drawn out with a little... I guess it's a little phallic looking shape on it. But anyway, I'm going to grind this out and use this bolt as a hinge point and make the tank lift up. I'll still have to put a catch on the front or something, a pin or something to hold it down. But then it can literally just lift up, and then I can get right to the gas tank to put gas in it. So that's the plan. We'll see what we end up with. Alright guys, so I got this bracket welded on. I mean not welded on, but bolted on. Probably going to take this tank and weld it or bolt it to this flat part where it can hinge. On the front we're going to have to do some kind of pin or catch, but keep it pretty simple. So yeah, let's keep on keeping on. Alright guys, so check this out. Got that hinge built. Still gonna have to put something up here to hold it down. Not exactly sure what I'm gonna do yet. Maybe just simple bungee strap or something. I don't know. We'll figure that out later. The big thing is we got it hinged. And that's gonna be fine. It's smoothed out. I rounded the edges and everything because, you know, you don't want nothing sharp right there. So, might need to cut the end of that bolt off a little bit, but yeah. Alright guys, so let's just take a quick little break and something pretty cool I wanted to share with you guys. Some of you might have seen it, some of you might not have, but we're going to get into it right now. Check this out.
What up, Wastelanders? Christopher here at Gaslands NorCal. Thanks for joining me once again for another conversion video. Now, a few weeks back, my buddy over at Small Block Saloon on YouTube, who's also a subscriber, reached out to me and said, hey, could you do a conversion based off of my project car that I'm working on, which is a real-world Mad Max build that he's doing? I'm going to put a link to his video up here or in the description. I'll stick it somewhere so you can go check him out. And I was like, well, yeah, I could do that. I love doing real-world conversions. So that's what we're going to do this time. We're going to be using this 2011 Hot Wheels premiere of a 72 Ford Gran Torino Sport for the build. It's not exactly like his car. His front end's a little bit Hollywood doctored up. We're going to have to chop up a little bit on this one and everything, but yeah, so that's what we're going to do this time. I'm pretty excited about this one. I really love doing real-world conversions. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. But first things first, we got to get this baby apart, get her into the stripper.
And guys, he killed it. I'm not going to show all his content because I don't want to take away. Go check his channel out. It's called Gaslands NorCal. He basically makes like a Hot Wheels scale apocalypse cars. So kind of like what I'm doing here, but for the Gaslands game. And he killed it. I'm not going to show you the entire build, like I said, but I will show you his beauty shots at the end. And I'll bring the car out in a second and show you. But yeah, he killed it. Check out his channel, and here we go. Here's the beauty shots. Very, very cool. I'll grab the car in a minute. Actually, I can insert it anytime. I'll probably just insert it like right here. And yeah, Chris, if you see this, man, you knocked it out of the park. Awesome job. Can't be any happier. And if you're a Wastelander, contact him, man. He was it was painless, dude. I PayPal'd him small amount of money for what I got and for his time, and I mean, when he sent the package, it come with a keychain and some stickers. I was blown away. I was blown away by the whole process. I was blown away by his art, creativity, the work he did, and he's just class act all the way, pillar to post. Check him out. Gaslands NorCal. All right, guys. So we got some updates. Got the thumb throttle on. Also welded up this pipe. Not Joe came over and helped me weld it up. He gave me this old expansion chamber off a dirt bike, and we got that mocked up, welded up. We'll still have to do some kind of exhaust shield so you don't burn your get your leg burned. And I got to make a mount there. Might do something cool here on the end, but that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for this one, man. I know this video. I don't know how this video is gonna work, how it's gonna look. It's been a crazy couple of months, last 6 to 8 weeks or so, and I want to get something. I want to get something posted. It's been crazy the last little bit of time here. Yeah. So anyway, I want to get something up. Hopefully, I'm gonna get back on schedule. We got a lot of stuff to do. It's about I don't know. It's like 80 something days before we leave. I'm working all over the place. I'm working on the trailer. I'm still working on Outrider. Working on this. Working on things behind the scenes that we're gonna need to live while we're out there. So anyway, I just need to get better about filming. I'm gonna quit rambling. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, think about subscribing. If you've been here a while and want to just say hey, it's very motivational, man. So leave a comment, tell me where you're from, tell me if you like the content, if you're new, if you've been watching a long time, whatever. Just interact, man. I kind of lost motivation. I had some stuff going on behind the scenes, and trying to get back in the swing of things. So thank you guys. Catch you in the next one. Later.